If you've ever looked inside your car and thought, yeah, this needs help, you're not alone. Keeping your car clean is way harder than it should be, unless you've got the right vacuum. In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best handheld car vacuums for 2026. From compact, quick clean tools to more powerful options for deeper detailing. So stick around to find the one that fits your cleaning style. As always, you can find the best deals and links in the description below. Now, let's get started. On number 5, we have the WADEO 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. This is one of those tools that tries to do a bit of everything, and depending on how you plan to use it, that can actually be a big advantage. What makes it stand out is the multifunction design. It's not just a vacuum. It can also work as a blower, and in some versions, even an inflator. That means you can clean out dust from tight corners, blow debris out of hard-to-reach spots, or even use it for things like inflating small items. It's more of a versatile utility tool than just a basic car vacuum. For everyday cleaning, it handles light messes pretty well. Things like dust, crumbs, and small debris in your seats or cup holders are easy to deal with. It's lightweight, easy to carry around, and doesn't take up much space in your car, which makes it convenient to keep on hand. If you like the idea of having a compact, multi-purpose tool that can handle quick cleanups and a few extra tasks, the WADEO 3-in-1 is a practical and budget-friendly option to start with. Number 4. RedTiger Vac 21 Cordless Vacuum. This one feels like a step up from basic budget options, especially if you want something simple, but a bit more capable for everyday car cleaning. Right away, what I like about the Vac 21 is how straightforward it is to use. It's cordless, lightweight, and easy to handle, which makes quick cleanups much less of a hassle. You can grab it, clean up crumbs, dust, or dirt, and put it away without dealing with bulky equipment. In terms of performance, it delivers solid suction for its size. It's not designed for heavy-duty deep cleaning, but for regular maintenance, like cleaning seats, floor mats, and tight gaps. It does the job reliably. The included attachments also help you reach between seats and into corners where dirt usually builds up. Battery life is another plus. It holds enough charge for multiple short cleaning sessions, which is exactly how most people use a car vacuum. And with USB-C charging, it's easy to top it up in your car or at home. Of course, it still has its limits. When dealing with stubborn debris or deeply embedded dirt, it won't match the power of higher-end models. But that's expected at this level. Overall, the RedTiger Vac 21 is a solid, everyday option. Simple, portable, and reliable for keeping your car clean without overcomplicating things. At number 3, HOTO Handheld Car Vacuum. This one feels a little different from the others right away. It's clearly designed with simplicity and aesthetics in mind, but it still manages to be surprisingly practical. The first thing you'll notice is the design. It's clean, minimal, and compact, which makes it feel more like a modern gadget than a typical car vacuum. It's small enough to store in your glove box or center console, so it's always within reach when you need it. But it's not just about looks. For everyday cleaning, the HOTO vacuum performs well. It's great for picking up dust, crumbs, sand, and other light debris that tends to build up inside your car. The suction isn't the most powerful in this lineup, but it's consistent and reliable for quick maintenance cleaning. What makes it really convenient is how easy it is to use. One-button operation, quick emptying, and simple attachments mean you're not wasting time figuring things out. It's the kind of device you actually use often because it doesn't feel like a chore. Battery life is decent for short sessions, which fits perfectly with its purpose as a quick clean tool rather than a deep clean solution. Of course, if you're dealing with heavy dirt or pet hair stuck deep in carpets, it might struggle a bit compared to stronger models. But for clean design, portability, and effortless everyday use, the HOTO Handheld Car Vacuum is a great choice. Number 2, we have the Fanttik Slim V10 Apex. This is where things start to feel more refined, especially if you care about getting a proper clean without carrying something bulky around. What really stands out here is the balance between power and portability. It's still compact enough to store easily in your car, but the moment you start using it, you can feel that it has noticeably stronger suction than most smaller handheld vacuums. Dust, crumbs, sand. It handles them without much effort and even does a decent job on slightly deeper debris. The slim design is also a big plus. It's easy to maneuver into tight spaces like between seats, under pedals, or around cup holders, which is where most of the mess usually hides. The included attachments make a real difference here, especially when you're trying to clean those hard-to-reach spots. Another thing I like is how lightweight and comfortable it feels during use. You're not fighting with a heavy device, which makes quick cleanups faster and less tiring. Battery life is solid for its size, giving you enough time to go through your entire car in one session without needing to recharge halfway. Of course, while it's powerful for a compact vacuum, it's still not designed to replace a full-size vacuum for deep carpet cleaning. But if you want a compact vacuum that actually delivers strong, reliable performance for car interiors, the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex is easily one of the best options out there. On number 1, Fanttik Slim V10 Mix. This is the one that feels the most complete out of the entire lineup, especially if you want something that goes beyond just quick cleanups. Right away, the biggest difference is the power. Compared to smaller handheld vacuums, the V10 Mix delivers noticeably stronger suction, which makes a big impact when you're dealing with tougher messes. Dust, sand, crumbs, even debris stuck in carpets, it handles them with much less effort. What really makes it stand out though is the versatility. It comes with a wider range of attachments, so you're not limited to just basic car cleaning. You can use it for seats, floor mats, tight corners, and even bring it into your home for desks, shelves, or small spaces. It feels more like a multi-purpose cleaning tool rather than just a car vacuum. The design still keeps things relatively compact, but it's clearly built for performance. It's comfortable to hold, easy to control, and doesn't feel like a compromise between size and power. Battery life is also a step up, giving you enough time to clean your entire car without rushing. Overall, the Fanttik Slim V10 Mix offers the best mix of power, versatility, and usability, making it the top choice if you want a reliable vacuum that can handle both quick cleanups and deeper cleaning tasks.